guys, welcome back. So got a fun Valentine's tutorial for y'all today, and it's on this look right here. So it's just kind of like a holographic, unicorn, colorful, fun sort of a look. I just wanted to do something kind of like just different and colorful and like unique and highlighty is kind of what I was going for. So hopefully we have unique and highlighty here in this look. So yeah, that's the look that we're going to be doing. So if you want to see how to do it, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already applied some eyeshadow primer. Today I used my Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to take my My Little Pony palette from ColourPop, and I'm going to get some of this peachy color right here on a Cozette D220 brush. And I'm just going to apply this right into my crease and transition area. Just back and forth, windshield wiper motions. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Ultra Cool Glow palette. I'm going to get some of this kind of purpley color, and I'm going to apply that with my fingertips, just right on my lids, just to kind of give like a purpley pink sort of a base. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of this lighter pink shade and put that just kind of right on the inner corners of my eyes, just to make it a little bit lighter right there. Now I'm going to take this palette. This is the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette. So we're just playing with a lot of different palettes today, just trying to get different colors from different palettes. Not because I want to use different palettes necessarily, but because there are certain kind of colors I'm looking for. So I'm going to get this color right here, this is Fire, on just a crease brush from CVS. And I'm going to build that up in the outer third of my lid. And now I'm going to get just a little bit of Charming and apply that right into my outer corner, just for a little bit of added dimension, not taking that over very far, just right in that outer corner. Then you can go back in and do any blending you feel like you need to do. I'm going to reapply just a little smidgen of that purpley shade. It's kind of to the middle of my lid. Now for some fun glitter. So I'm going to be using this one from Beauty Creations. This is Fairy Dust. And I'm going to be using their glitter glue. This is the Beauty Creations Glitter Primer. So I'm going to get this on my lids first, just applying it right on my lid. And then I'm going to apply it with this tiny little brush. This is the Detailer brush from Real Techniques. Adding just a little bit more of the primer so I can add a little bit more glitter. I'm going to keep kind of looking down while I do the other eye. That's kind of a little tip so it doesn't like crease or get funky or whatever. Just kind of let it dry so it doesn't get so funky. This color is so fun. It's like just a unicorn kind of color. It's got so many different things happening in it. I love it. It is so happy. Such a happy glitter. Just gonna dust away some of this on my face because when you use glitter, it does just kind of go different places on your face. But you know, I'm okay with that. A little bit of extra glitter never hurt anybody. I'm just kind of like building up my outer corner just a little bit more, just in case any of those colors kind of got lost when I was applying that glitter. And a little tip with using glitter, I just use like the tiniest little bit of the primer, like little dots of it kind of on the outer part of my lid, so that I can then just get a tiny little bit out there. So it kind of like almost trails off. That's the way I found that I like to use glitter. I know everybody kind of has different techniques, but that's kind of the way I do it. just because I don't necessarily like that cut crease look on myself personally. So that's why I kind of like to do this where it's sort of like trailing off into my outer corner of my eye. That is very happy and fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some of this Maybelline liner. This is the Lasting Drama Light Liner in Moonlight Pearl. No, Moonlight Purple. And I'm gonna apply this to my lower lash line and waterline. And then I'm gonna use some different colors. Really just like a purpley color over it. I'll show you what it is in just a second. So I'm gonna use this kind of blurple color over it from that same Makeup Revolution palette, the Ultra Cool Glow. So this kind of blurple color. It's like a blue and a purple. That's why it's blurple. So I'm gonna use that with my Smith 302 brush. And just for a little bit of dimension, I'm gonna get this one right here, this same Charming color, and just apply a little bit of that just on the outer corner, just barely, like a little stamp of it. Because I want it to still look purple on my lower lash line, but I want just a little bit more dimension there to kind of meet the outer corner of my upper lash line. Just a little subtle little bit of something. Now I'm gonna apply some winged liner. Today I'm using my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I feel like my winged liner always gets so much crazier when I do it when I'm filming versus when I wear winged liner just in regular life. I don't know what the deal is, but it's like, it always ends up just crazy. So hopefully my mascara will help a little bit. So I'm gonna apply my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara and my CoverGirl Crump Crusher. Crump Crusher. Nope, not Crump Crusher. Clump Crusher. This one on my lower lashes and this one on my upper lashes. I don't know why that's funny looking to me. Okay, I went ahead and cleaned up my under eyes and applied some powder. So now I'm gonna take that same highlighter palette. I'm gonna get some of this color right here on, this is a Morphe M507 brush. And I'm just gonna kind of like build that up in the inner corners of my eyes. Just trying to get kind of like a lot of fun colors going with this look. Just kind of a really glowy, I don't know, unicorn. My camera totally just cut me off while I was describing this look. How rude, camera! What I was saying is it's just a unicorn, glowy, fun, colorful sort of look. That's really kind of what I'm going for. And I'm gonna take my tiny detailer brush and get a little bit of this color right here on the very end of this brush, because I just want a little tiny pop of this color right on the inner corners, just for some fun. Now for bronzer, today I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is actually in light bronzer. I wanted to use this one today. And I'm using my Sedona Lace FB05 brush to just kind of warm up my face a little bit, do a little bit of structuring and warming it up. For blush, I'm keeping it pretty neutral. I'm going to use my CoverGirl True Blend Blush in, what is this in? Medium Rose. I like this one because it's kind of like a neutral rosy kind of color. So it does give some color, but it's not over the top and it's not overly pink and or overly peach. It's just kind of like it's one of those go with everything blushes. It is so hard to choose which highlighter I want to use, but I think I'm going to go with this one first. And then I'm going to go over that with a little bit of the lighter color, just kind of right on the tops of my cheekbones. But I want to start with this kind of like purpley pink. So I'm going to apply this a little bit lower on my cheeks, still on my cheekbones, but you can see how I'm bringing it a little bit lower, just kind of blending all in this area. For that lighter pink, I'm just going to apply that right on the high points of my cheekbones. And I'm also going to apply a little bit of that to my Cupid's bow, that lighter pink, Just a tiny little bit, nothing crazy. And maybe a light dusting on my nose. I'm kind of barely touching because I don't like a strong, see this is a little bit strong, and I don't like a strong nose highlight, just a little tiny bit. My nose is gonna get shiny throughout the day anyway. I'm gonna have a natural oil highlight, so I don't need a lot of extra other highlight. And for lips today, I'm gonna start with this lip liner. This is the Jordana Easy Liner for Lips in Pink Love. And I'm first gonna apply this. This is ColourPop's Ultra Glossy Lip in Tight Fit. So I'm gonna start with this and then add a little bit of this pink in. This is the Jordana Cosmic Glow Holographic Lip Gloss, and this is in Crystalized Pink. So a little kind of combo of all of these. And this Jordana gloss smells really good, like cupcakes or something. It is yummy. Alright guys, so that's the finished looking tutorial. So hope that you really enjoyed it. Please hit a thumbs up if you did. Let me know down below what your favorite kind of looks are to do for Valentine's. Do you like kind of more traditional sort of pinks and reds sort of looks, or do you like something different and creative, or do you kind of like an anti-Valentine's look, like a dark grungy look? I think those are fun too. So let me know down below what your favorite looks are to do for Valentine's Day. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!